The 2015 Ford Edge Titanium has it all. Luxury, comfort, a black exterior and a black leather interior, 4 doors, and seating for 5. Door storage with integrated cup holder, power mirrors, windows, and locks with driver's seat memory, power driver's seat with lumbar support. Beside the steering wheel you have the different lighting controls and trunk release. This pops open to give you storage. On the face of the steering wheel you have the left-hand side dash, cruise control, sync voice activated system in the right hand side dash, paddle shifters on the left and right hand side. This dial right here is that lane departure assist. It is a touch engine start. The left hand side is all the important messages, like if you're low on fuel. You can cycle through display mode, trip 1, 2, fuel economy, driver assist, as well as settings. The right hand side gives you entertainment, navigation, and phone, the direction that you're facing, the temperature outside, as well as the time. The media center located right beside offers you a touchscreen, AM, FM, as well as satellite radio, CD, USB, Bluetooth, SD card, and a line in. You have dual climate control with front and heated and cooled seats, as well as the steering wheel is heated, front and rear defrost, as well as AC. Navigation is in the top right hand corner. Your phone is in the top left. The screen is also a display of the backup camera, as well as the reverse sensing system. Down below you have the buttons to control your audio and climate. This right here allows you to see what's in front of you in 2 different views. Behind the automatic transmission shifter, you can pop it open for access to the SD card, 2 USB ports, as well as line in and storage. You have your parking brake on the left, as well as your parking assist and rear parking sensors on the right. 2 cup holders with ambient lighting. The armrest pops open 2 different ways to give you access to storage and power, or just to a little bit of storage. Overhead you have an auto dimming rear view mirror, 3 integrated garage door openers, the overhead lighting controls, as well as the sunglass holder. You also have the controls for that Vista roof. That's the sunshade. It goes all the way across. 20-inch wheels with nitrogen-filled tires, color-keyed side view mirrors and door handles, with keyless entry and intelligent access. You have a rear spoiler and windshield wiper, backup camera, as well as backup sensors and dual exhaust. The trunk can be opened right from the key fob. It opens all the way up on its own. You have tie downs, storage, speakers, hooks that fold out, as well as the ability to fold down the seats. 12 volts of power, and you can bring down the trunk with just the touch of a button. Door storage with cup holder, power windows, back seat pockets, seating for 3. They fold up and down in the 60-40 split. Levers right beside the seat. You have inflatable seat belts. In the middle seat, it folds down for an armrest and 2 cup holders. The middle console offers 2 different types of power, rear heated seats, storage, as well as vents. Overhead you have hooks, handles, lighting, and access to the panoramic sunroof. Blind spot information system with turn signals integrated into the side view mirrors, fog lights, and so much more. So come on down to Island Ford Superstore located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, and see all of our new and pre-owned Ford Edges.